No matter what kind of motor we're talking about, routine maintenance is the key to its longevity. But what kind of maintenance is needed? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, it's Tim from Action Water Sports. Today we're going to go over the required and recommended maintenance for an outboard motor. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more boating content. Now let's begin. Congrats, you bought a new boat. All outboard motors, regardless of brand, will recommend a break-in period. This will ensure the longevity of the motor. Each manufacturer will have its own set of guidelines for the break-in period. Ignoring these recommendations can cause damage to your motor and reduce the lifetime of the motor. For this reason, make sure you check the manual or contact your local Action Water Sports regarding information on your specific motor. After the break-in period, you'll have routine maintenance that will need to be done on the boat. This maintenance includes oil and battery changes, tune-ups, replacement of trailer tires, and winterization. At Action Water Sports, we equipped our outboard motors with Mercury motors. As a rule of thumb, Mercury recommends that owners perform an oil change every 100 hours or annually. For families living in the colder states, this service should be done annually. Batteries allow you to start and run your boat. To extend the lifetime of your battery, be sure to turn the battery switch off after each session on the water. Every year or two, you'll also need to replace your impeller. The impeller is an important part of the engine's water pump's cooling system. It ensures the engine is being cooled by circulating water through the motor. A bad impeller will cause your boat to overheat, leading to possible damage to the engine. For those living in the colder regions, winterizing your boat is needed to protect the motor from freezing. Winterizing your boat ensures that nothing will freeze and damage your engine over the winter. At Action Water Sports, we have a set of services available when you sign up for fall service. These include a 40-point inspection, system updates, freeze protection, wash and vacuum, and storage. These processes will make sure your boat is ready for the cold months and will be in great shape for relaunching in the spring. Not all services fall into these categories. Sometimes you may run into unexpected situations. Unexpected maintenance is never fun to deal with, but it's all part of owning a boat. Luckily for you, our service team is ready to help get you back on the water as quickly as possible. If you have any other questions about boats maintenance, please reach out to your local Action Water Sports. Our experienced technicians are here to help make sure that you and your family can get back on the water making memories. Until next time, see you on the water.